Good morning. I am Bhimashankar Pujari. Today I am discussing experiment number 4. Aim of this experiment is consider a suitable text dataset, remove stopwords, apply stemming and future selection, techniques to represent documents as a vector, classify documents and evaluate precision recall. First of all, discuss what is a precision and recall. So formula of this precision is true positive upon true positive plus false positive. So in simple terms, precision is the ratio of what our model predicted correctly to what our model predicted for each category or class. There is a one precision value. Now, what is a recall? Formula of this recall is true positive upon true positive plus false positive. In simple terms, recall is the ratio of what our model predicted correctly to what the actual labels are. Similar to precision, for each category or class, there is a one recall value. So come to the point. An objective of this experiment is implement of the problem statement using Python, and second one is remove stopwords, apply stemming and future selection. Now we discuss what is the stemming. Stopwords. So stopword in a computing, stopwords are words which are filtered out before or after processing of natural language data text. So the stopwords usually refers to the most common words in a language. There is a no single universal list of stopwords used by all natural language processing tools. And indeed, not all tools even use such a list. Of some tools specially avoid remove these stopwords to support phrase search, and group of words can be chosen as the stopwords for a given purpose. For some search engine, these are some of the most common short function words such as the is, at, which, and, on. In this case, stopwords can cause problem when searching for the phrases that includes them, particularly in names such as the, who, the or that. So other search engines remove some of the most common words, including lexical words such as want from a query in order to improve performance. So code to remove stopword with the NLTK tool in a Python. So now we discuss what is the code for the stopwords. So in this I am importing packages of NLTK and downloading the stopword packages. So NLTK full form is Natural Language Toolkit, and download packages stopwords, and I import NLTK, that NLTK.download stopwords. This is the syntax for downloading the stopword packages, and then I am running this port. So it ran successfully, and go for next second. So in this code I am importing from NLTK.tokenize. I am importing sent tokenize, word tokenize. From NLTK.corpus import stopwords. Here is the data which is our data in all words and no play makes jock dully boy. All works and no play makes a jock a dully boy. And stopwords equal to set stopword dot words English. Here word equal to words tokenized data, and words filtered. This is a empty list, and I am using for loop for the words. So for W in words, and if W not in a stopwords, words filter dot append and print words filtered. So in the above data we are remove the stopwords just like no and no and These are the stopwords which is removed by this, and here got output. uh, Here all, work, play, and these are common words here getting and removed by the stopwords. No, and uh, and no, these words are were removed. Mm. Now go for this program. Now first of all I will discuss what is the steaming, then come to the program. So here steaming is the process of reducing reflected or sometimes retrieved words to their word sentence base or root from the generally a written word form. The stem needs not be identical to the morphological root of the word. It is usually sufficient that related word map to the same stem, even if this stem is not in itself a valid root. Algorithms for stemming have been studied in a computer science since the 1960. Many search engines treat words with the same stems, so as synonymous as a kind of query expansions. A process called conflection, a stripping algorithm is a famous for stemming. And now we will discuss the code. So from nltk.stem import port steamer. Here imported port steamer packages. From nltk.tokenize import sentence tokenize word, and ps equal to port steamer function. Example words. Here these are the examples: Python, Pythoner, and Pythoning, Pythoned, Pythonly. So for use for loop and w in a word example and print ps dot stem. So in this here got your output, and in this what happened, python is root word is written as it is, and python or er is the suffix which is the infix which is removed, and python we get, and ing also removed, and ed, and only all these things are removed, and then get output. Come to the theory part. In this suffix stripping algorithm. Suffix stripping algorithm do not rely on a lookup table that consists of inflected forms and root forms in relations. Instead of a typically smaller list of rules is stored, which provides a path for the algorithm. Given an input word from to find its root form. Some example of the rule includes, here are examples. If the word ends in a ed, remove the ed, and if the word ends in ing, remove the ing. If the word ends ly, remove the ly. Suffix stripping approach enjoy the benefits of being a much simpler to maintain than brute force algorithm. So assuming the maintainer is a sufficiently knowledgeable in the challenges of linguistics and morphologicals and encoding suffix stripping rules. Suffix stripping algorithms are sometimes regarded as a crude given the poor performance when dealing with the exceptional relations like ran and run. The solution produced by suffix stripping algorithm are limited to those lexical categories which have well-known suffix with a few exceptions. This, however, is a problem as not all parts of speech have such a well-formulated set as a formulas. And feature extraction in machine learning and statistics, feature selections, also known as a variable selections. Attribute selection or variable subset selections is a process of selecting a subset of relevant features, various predictor for the use in a model constructor. Feature selection techniques are used for four reasons. Simplification of models to make them easier to interrupt by research or users. So shorter training times to avoid the curse of dimensionality, enhance the generalization by reducing overfitting, formally reduction of various future extraction architecture. Here is the architecture. So in this raw text string and sentence segmentation and sentence list of strings tokenize, here tokenized process is done, and tokenized sentences list of list strings a part of speech tagging, and then go to the entity decision and relation decisions and relation list of tuples. Figure shows the architecture for a simple information extraction system. It begins by producing a document using several of the procedures dismissed in a 3 and 5. First, the raw text of the document is split into sentences using a sentence segmenter, and each sentence is further subdivided into words using a tokenizer. Next, each sentence is tagged with a part of speech tags, which will provide a very useful in the next step named entity detections. In this step, we search for mentions of potentially interesting entities in each sentence. Finally, we use a relation detection to search for likely relation between different entities in the text. So conclusion, thus we have studied to remove stop words, apply stemming and feature extraction techniques to represent documents as a vector. So like this I have completed this assignment. Thank you for watching.